Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Thinking about selling your digital products online but not sure where to start? In this video, I will show you how to sell digital products like ebooks, art prints, music or templates using Big Cartel, a simple and beginner friendly platform. Let's get started. Big Cartel is an easy to use e-commerce platform made especially for artists and creators. It's perfect if you are selling digital products and don't want to deal with a complicated setup or high fees. Step 1. Go to bigcartel.com and click on sign up button. Then choose your plan which fits your needs. Now customize your store, give it a name, set your currency and choose a simple theme. Big Cartel's themes are minimal and clean, perfect for showing off your products. Click on products, then plus icon for add a product, and fill in your product details like name, product name and description, then price, status, categories, etc. Use eye-catching mockups and clear product descriptions. Big Cartel doesn't support digital downloads by default, but don't worry, there's a free tool called Pole that works seamlessly with Big Cartel. Upload your file to Pole and it will generate a secure link that gets automatically sent to your customer after they buy from your Big Cartel store. Log into Pole, then go to stores and connect it to your Big Cartel store. Then link each product with the file you uploaded. Once it's all set up, do a test order. Make sure everything works smoothly from the payment to the download link. Now that your store's live, start promoting, share your products on social media, create a blog, or start an email list to stay connected with your customers. So, a recap. To recap, create a Big Cartel store, add your digital products, use Pule to handle file delivery, promote your store and grow your brand. Like, share and subscribe for more cuter tips. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more how-to content like this. Thanks for watching.